Now I got my angle grinder. Now I'm gonna go around all the edges, cut all the excess off, flip her over, and mount her on somehow. Let's see how this goes. I'll probably start the door just to see how easy it is, or not easy, because I've never done it before. I've got gloves and a mask there. We're gonna PPE up, and then we're gonna get it all done.
Itchy, just finished being sticky.
Fiberglass makes me very itchy.
See, I fit. We're talking about it, I'm not gonna fit. I fit perfectly. Just need to cut the brakes handle all the way so it doesn't interact. But you don't need those. What need those for? It's even got a parking brake too, if you really wanted it. Don't need that though. You just chop about 2 inches off the brake handle. That should be fine. Let's go figure out where we're going to mount the fuel tank. Normally it's like mounted there. And you do the cap like there, but I'm going to mount it here somewhere. Just going to make a bulkhead that goes in there to lift it all up a little bit and mount it better. Now I got a hammer and get out of here. There's no hinges on the door. There we go. Okay, I got Lightburn to work now, so now I got this all drawn up with the laser etcher. I can cut that shape out, and it should fit perfectly inside the PLP50. It's like a firewall as well as a body mount. So that's not too bad. We had to do a couple tries, but at least one of those lines should line up. The wood is a bit warped, and the way this works is it has little rollers on the bottom, so it kind of skewed a little bit at the bottom, but the top is where we're actually worried about, and I think that turned out alright. So we'll cut it out and see how we go. Okay, now I've done the rear mock-up body mount as well as the front firewall / body mount. Just got a couple of tech screws all the way around now to get the general idea of how we're going to do this. Still don't have quite of a plan, just like figuring out as I go along. Makes it a bit of fun, but yeah, getting there. Almost ready to like take it for a test drive. All we got to do is just like kill switch, battery mount, fuel tank mount, and hook the brakes back up. And then yeah, that's about it. Got somewhat of a seat. As long as you don't have anything in your pockets to go into that sprocket, you know, it'll be fine. But we might make a cover. Got a piece of wood there. I might just bang her up there. Yeah, you know, should be fine.
Itchy, just finished being sticky.
Fiberglass makes me very itchy.